Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best robot vacuums that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Shelliki Robot Vacuum and Mop, which earns its spot as the best budget option on this list. Priced at just $132.99, this 2-in-1 vacuum and mop combo packs in some surprising features for its price point. With a suction power of up to 5,500 RPM, it's capable of tackling dust, debris, and pet hair from hard floors and low-pile carpets. The inclusion of Wi-Fi app and voice control through Alexa and Google Assistant makes it easy to operate and customize cleaning schedules. Plus, its quiet operation at just 65 decibels means it won't disrupt the household. The design is sleek and compact, measuring only 2.87 inches high, which allows it to navigate under furniture and tight spaces with ease. It has 5 cleaning modes, including zigzag and spot cleaning, and the zigzag mode improves efficiency by up to 30%. While its build quality is solid for the price, it lacks the premium feel of more expensive models, but that's to be expected in this price range. In terms of performance, the Shelliki does well on hard floors and excels in smaller homes or apartments due to its 100-minute runtime. However, its 230 milliliters water tank and dustbin capacity might require frequent refills and emptying for larger spaces. Overall, this is an excellent entry-level robot vacuum for budget-conscious buyers or those new to robotic cleaners. Pros include its affordability, quiet operation, and multiple control options, while cons are its smaller capacity and less powerful suction compared to higher-end models. At rank number 4, we have the Kilgon Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, priced at $139.99. This model offers a balanced mix of affordability and functionality, making it a great choice for those who need a 2-in-1 cleaning solution without breaking the bank. It features a respectable 2,300 pass suction power and a 2.91-inch ultra-slim design, making it ideal for hard floors and low-pile rugs. The device also includes Wi-Fi and app connectivity via the Tuya app, along with voice control compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant, ensuring a modern and user-friendly experience. The Kilgon stands out for its inclusion of a tangle-free nozzle, which is especially beneficial for pet owners dealing with shedding. With a runtime of up to 120 minutes, it's capable of cleaning mid-sized homes on a single charge. The robot's 230 milliliter water tank and 360-degree sensors ensure efficient mopping and obstacle avoidance, while its 4 cleaning modes offer flexibility for different cleaning needs. However, it doesn't come with advanced mapping features like LIDAR, which limits its navigation to less precise methods. In terms of design and build quality, the Kilgon feels sturdy, and its black-green finish adds a modern aesthetic. While it's not as feature-rich as high-end models, it delivers solid performance for the price. The pros include its strong suction, pet-friendly design, and app voice control compatibility, while cons are the lack of advanced navigation and smaller tank capacity. This is an excellent option for pet owners or those looking for a reliable and affordable cleaning assistant. Coming in at number 3, we have the eufy L60 Robot Vacuum, priced at $293.99. This model is a premium choice for those who value convenience and cutting-edge technology. With its 5,000 PA suction power, this vacuum delivers excellent performance, easily removing dust, hair, and debris in a single pass. The highlight of this product is its self-empty station, which allows up to 60 days of hands-free cleaning. Hair detangling technology is another standout feature, slicing through hair wrapped around the roller brush, making it an ideal choice for pet owners. In terms of design, the eufy L60 is sleek and modern, with a black finish that easily blends into any home decor. It features iPath laser navigation and AI Map 2.0, enabling highly efficient cleaning routes and precise home mapping. These advanced navigation tools allow users to create no-go zones and set up multi-floor mapping via the app, ensuring the vacuum cleans exactly where you want it to. The washable filter and 260 milliliter dustbin capacity add to the convenience, making maintenance a breeze. On the downside, the eufy L60 is on the pricier side for its category and lacks mopping functionality, which could be a deal-breaker for those seeking a two-in-one solution. However, the combination of high suction power, advanced mapping, and self-emptying capabilities makes it a strong contender for those who prioritize performance and ease of use. Pros include its powerful suction, hands-free maintenance, and smart navigation, while cons are its higher price and lack of mopping ability. In the number 2 spot, we have the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, priced at $297.99. This model is a powerhouse, offering incredible suction that tackles dirt and debris on both carpets and hard floors. Its standout feature is the Matrix Clean navigation system, which ensures no spots are missed by taking multiple passes over each area. With a bagless self-emptying base that holds up to 60 days of debris, this vacuum eliminates the hassle of frequent emptying while saving you money on disposable bags. The Shark AI Ultra boasts 360-degree LIDAR navigation, allowing it to map your home with precision and adapt to changes in the environment. It's perfect for pet owners, thanks to its self-cleaning brush roll and superior suction power designed to capture pet hair and dander. Voice control compatibility with Alexa and Google Assistant makes it easy to operate, and the recharge and resume feature ensures the vacuum completes its job even if it runs out of battery mid-clean. While its build quality is robust and durable, the Shark AI Ultra is somewhat bulky, which may make it harder to store in smaller spaces. Additionally, the price tag might be a bit steep for budget-conscious buyers. However, for homes with pets or those looking for a deep-cleaning robot vacuum, it's a fantastic investment. Pros include its powerful suction, smart navigation, and hands-free maintenance, while cons are its higher price and bulkier design. Finally, at number 1, we have the Shark AV2501AE AI Robot Vacuum, the ultimate choice for robotic cleaning at $299.99. This premium model combines all the best features you'd want in a robot vacuum, including powerful suction, a self-emptying base with 60-day capacity, and advanced LIDAR navigation for accurate home mapping. Its Matrix Clean navigation ensures deep cleaning by taking multiple passes over each area, leaving your floors spotless. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its HEPA filtration system, which traps 99.97% of dust and allergens, making it an excellent choice for allergy sufferers and pet owners. The self-cleaning brush roll handles pet hair with ease, while its hands-free control with Alexa and Google Assistant ensures seamless operation. With up to 120 minutes of runtime and recharge and resume functionality, it's perfect for larger homes. The Shark AV2501AE is built to last, with a solid and premium design. However, its higher price point might not suit everyone, especially those with smaller homes or simpler cleaning needs. Still, the combination of cutting-edge features, reliable performance, and ease of use makes this vacuum a top-tier option. Pros include its powerful HEPA filtration, advanced navigation, and pet-friendly design, while cons are its higher price and limited appeal for budget buyers. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.